Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of system emails in ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, why does this matter? Why are we talking about system emails today? There are some new things, new developments that you need to be aware of, and that is we can finally turn them off. Before today, actually, or was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. You could not turn system emails off. Every time someone met a specific criteria, whether it's for courses or buying a product, whatever it is, it would send out emails automatically every single time, no matter what. Some of those were kind of annoying. Some of them I personally want to turn off, and today we can finally do that. So let's go ahead and jump over to my screen here, and I'll walk you through the process one step at a time. First thing we need to do is head over here to Workspace settings in that left-hand navigation. From there, we're going to head to the new navigation that we see here on the left-hand side and click directly on System Emails, right here between Shipping and Styles. Now, to disable any system email, all we have to do is head directly to the right category. From there, just click on the little Enable button right here. By default, they're all turned on, but if you click on it directly, it should toggle it off. You'll get a little notification there saying, hey, you're good to go. It is now disabled, and just like that, bada bing, bada boom, you are all set to go. That is it. That's all you have to do. Same thing applies for any other category, right? You go to the one that you want. From there, just click on a button and you'll be all set. Now with this new development of being able to turn off the notifications or the system emails, the pencil icon has moved a little bit. It used to be right here where this toggle switch is as of right now. But now if we hover a little bit closer to the actual name, you'll see that the pencil icon appears right next to it. You can click on a name directly or the pencil icon, and it'll still allow you to go in and adjust that at any point. All right, that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this, awesome. If you didn't and you still have some lingering questions, make sure to let me know down below, and we'll make sure to point you in the right direction as best we can. Otherwise, if you haven't already, make sure to go and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. We send out different tips, tricks, guides, updates around the ClickFunnels ecosystem as a whole directly to your inbox every single Monday, and you don't want to miss them. All right, so with that said, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day, and we will talk to you later.